Friends, in continuation, let's see one example of thermodynamic process. See here. The question given a monoatomic ideal gas of 2 moles. Number of moles is given 2, means n is equal to 2. Taken through a cyclic process as shown. See here, A to B. This is A point, B point, C point, D point, right? A to B, B to C, C to D, and D to A. The volume ratios are Vv by Va are 2, Vd by Va are 4. If the temperature Ta at A is 27 degree, then calculate temperature of the gas at point B, heat absorbed in each process, total work done by the gas during the complete cycle. Express everything in terms of R he is asking, right? So let's see, students. Students, see, A to B you are seeing volume changing, temperature is changing. So what is constant here? Pressure constant, right? So here in the first bit, you can write A to B is which process, student? If pressure is constant, which process? Isobaric, right? Yes or no? Isobaric process means V by T is equal to constant. Correct, students? So that means VA by VB is equal to TA by TB, na students? Are you getting? And he's asking about temperature at B. That is VB by VA into TA. So VB by VA is 2 and TA is student 27 given, but we'll convert it into 273. Add कर दिए Kelvin में convert करने के लिए. So it will be how much? So 300 into 600 Kelvin, right? Getting or not, students? Or you can also write, if I'll subtract, then this is 327 degrees centigrade. Understood, students? 600 minus 273, that will be how much? 327 degrees centigrade. Got all? Students? Understood the first part? The temperature of the gas at point B, all understood or not? Are you listening?
Yes, sir.
Okay. The number B, heat absorbed or released by the gas during each process. Students, see here, from A to B, it is which process? Isobaric. That means pressure is constant because volume is directly proportional to temperature. So in second part, the heat absorbed in the process, right? Heat absorbed in the process. Heat absorbed in the process A to B is given by, students, Q1 is equal to how much? N Cp dt, correct? So that is equal to 2 into Cp is how much? Monoatomic 5 pair by 2. Just a minute. We'll see that in kinetic theory of gases also. 5 pair by 2 into delta T 600 final minus initial 300, right? That is equal to 1500 R. Understood, students? Yes or no? And here, if I'll go for B to C, B to C, students, see here from point B to point C. Are you seeing? Here volume is changing. So which one constant? Temperature constant. So temperature constant means isothermal, na? Right? Yes or no, students? So your B to C is isothermal. Isothermal means heat is absorbed. Isothermal means heat is absorbed. Correct? So that is Q2 is equal to how much? W2 is equal to nRTB into log, Vd by Vb. Yes or no? D to B. What is the change in? That may be C, Vc by Vb. That is also C point volume is equal to D point volume, na students? Are you seeing the diagram? So we can put here, that is N is 2 mole. R you keep it like that. Temperature at point B is 600, we found out. Log base E, Vd by Vb is 2. So that is equal to, you see, 1200 R into log 2 is 0.693. If I'll multiply, then it will be 831.6 R. Understood? Then see from process C to D, you see here, C to D. C to D temperature, volume is constant. And that is known as isochoric process. So we'll put Q is equal to NCV dt. So next you write the process. The process C to D is isochoric. That is isochoric, right? So heat released is given by Q3 is equal to how much? N CV dt, right? So that is equal to 2 into 3 by 2 R into change in temperature is 300 minus 600 because decreasing, na? Yes or no? So that will be how much? Minus 900 R. Understood? Then D to A, student, see the line D to A. This is temperature constant. So this is again isothermal. And isothermal means, let's see here. The process D to A, right? The process D to A is isothermal. Yes or no? And the heat released is given by heat released is given by Q4 is equal to how much? NR TA log base E VA by VD. Correct. So that is equal to 2 into R into 300 into log, that is given ratio is 4. So it is 1 by 4, correct? And it will be minus 1200 R log 2 because 1 by 4, 1 by 2, if I'll reciprocate it, then it will go to off, it will be negative, minus 831.6 R, correct? We got all. Then at last he is asking to find the total work done. So we'll add all the hits, total work done, right? Then we'll go for total work done, correct? So that W is equal to Q1 plus Q2 plus Q3 plus Q4. That is 1500 R plus 831.6 R minus 900 R minus 831.6 R, that is equal to 600 R. This is the answer to the required question, the total heat observed. Just copy it, students. Understood all?